So here is my replacement wing. It's already been dipped and stripped and what have you. So, give it a panel wipe, get it wiped over, get it prepped, and then get some primer. So of course, when you're dealing with yellow, I've just learned you need to use white primer, not grey primer. So, fairly cheap, £4.50. So, give it a dust coat. So, dust coat it is. Yeah, the wind's kind of good today. But, carry on. And that is the wing, all primered. Now let that dry. I might need a bit of sanding. And that I'm calling done. And there we have the 3 painted panels. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are cracking on with getting this front panel off. I managed to get the bumper off, which is good news. Funny enough, the bolt just melted. Bigger hole inside the bottom end, but it's no problem. So we've already got most of this loose. We've been trying to get some advice as to what I actually need to get the engine out fully, but I'm going to crack on with getting these off first. We've already taken off the crash bar, so now it's just some additional bolts here, so yeah, we'll crack on with it. 1, 2, 3 bolts there, 13mm of course, and there are 2 screws here, but when I've looked at it, it's literally just a fix for the plastic in the back of there. So we'll get these undone, because these ones mount the panel to the chassis, I believe. I could be wrong, it has been known. So, one off. Two. And already, you're just seeing that drop. Now I've undone this one. Very good. And there we go. Yeah, that's nice and loose now. We've got an Allen key. Now I don't know what size it is that holds pipe here somewhere, but we'll get that. And again, it's the same on the other side, but that side I've already done. So let's see what else we need to undo. So I've got to put more paint on that again, never mind. But that's the wing on. I had a little mess around with some metallic paint on the wheel, because it doesn't really matter. But the wing, it does need some clear on there. But I'm quite happy with the way that's turned out. And if we look inside here, that section there, where the wing connects, which we got off the donor car, that's all lovely, nice, clean and tidy. On the inside of the wing, I sprayed it with tough black. Again, just to future-proof it a little bit. But that, I'm very happy with. Well, I was just taking the ducting off for the intercooler, and look at this. It's a proper nest with like 4 eggs in it. Now, the funny thing is, well, not so funny, haha, but it's more like, well, this car's been off the road for like 9 years, so I don't know how long they've been there. It travelled from Scotland, it's been to Blackburn, and now it's in Yorkshire, and it's just like, well, what do I do with them? What the hell am I supposed to do with them? I mean, I don't know, because obviously, I don't know, they could be 9 years old, they could be 6 months old, no idea, couldn't tell you. But yeah, I don't know, Google, perhaps? But yeah, a little bit weird, finding a bird's nest in the front bumper then, but hey ho. Anyway, crack on. So this one is an Allen key. Yeah, I've already loosened that one out. It doesn't even tell me what size it is. I don't even know. But yeah, I just tried all my Allen keys and this one fits. So unfortunately, I can't tell you what size it is. But we'll continue to get this one off. And as always, when you're trying to film, it just doesn't want to play, does it? Right, so I will crack on getting that undone, and then we'll move on to the next piece. So one other thing to get undone is this bonnet cable. Oh, my brain just went west then for a minute. But it's got two little metal clips under here, just tagging it onto the bottom there, so I'll get those unclipped with the... So that's annoying. So I've just got these two left. So it fell forward miraculously. There's something else here stretching as well. And that needs to come off. Look, just press and release now. No, you don't want to do that. There we go. That's one done. What's this other one? I'll have to look at that in a minute. So this should be separating from that. You're not having none of it, are you, mate? And there we have it, the one rod pack successfully removed from the car. Oh, tell you what, not hard to play it's going to be. But it's off now, and yeah, we can carry on seeing what else needs undoing. So this project is brought to you by sponsored and supported by the TT shop in Blackburn. They supply all second-hand parts for Mark 1 and also now Mark 2 vehicles as well. So if you're looking for wings, they've got plenty of those in stock in all a variety of colours, all very varying conditions. So ones that you can prepare yourself, some that are ready for paint. If you're looking for engines, gearboxes, new glass, broken doors, right the way through to door cards, rad packs, an abundance of transfer boxes, more gearboxes, a blowing exhaust or a downpipe, or if simply you just want to buy a car that runs that you want to do as a project, they also have vehicles available to do that as well. So get in touch with them. I'll put a link in the description for the TT shop in Blackburn, and also you will receive a 10% discount if you use the code IMOLA10, which is here somewhere. So get in touch. That discount only applies to actual parts, not postage and packaging. So obviously if you're going to take an engine, then that'll be a separate charge. But get in touch with the guys down at the TT shop Blackburn, and they will be more than happy to assist you with your requirements, whether that be used parts or just a car to work with. Thank you very much to the TT shop Blackburn for supporting and sponsoring this project. Now back to the car. So next on the hit list is this car. I think we shall see. Yeah, 13 it is. Happy to that's loose that. I don't even know how many holes in the car. So I think all that's left is the prop shaft needs to come out, drive shafts on this one, so passenger side, driver side, gearbox mounts there, engine mounts on that side. I've got 2 more pipes here to disconnect, and I can't see anything else that's connected to the engine. Then yeah, as I say, it's just getting in, disconnecting of those, and then yeah, I don't think it's far off, but we're certainly close. So I'm going to leave it there for today. Made a lot of good inroads. Really pleased with how that front end came off. I mean, I had a little bit of practice on the donor car, so it's been, yeah, it's great. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I should be ready to lift out the old engine tomorrow, which you will see in the next episode. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.